How to solve backup pause issues waiting for a Wi-Fi connection on WhatsApp on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you need to do is launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have the updated version of WhatsApp application on your device. Now let's search for WhatsApp over here, and as you can see, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of WhatsApp application. Now what you need to do is check on your connection, so make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. Now if that doesn't work out, what you can simply do is you can simply tap on settings, and as you tap on settings, you need to scroll down and tap on apps. Select on manage apps over here and then tap on the search bar and simply select for WhatsApp over here. The app will pop up in a few seconds, so you might have to wait a little bit to get the app popped up at the bottom of the screen. So let's just wait over here and make necessary correction. Then tap on it and you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select on it and then clear the cache and tap on OK. Now you can just relaunch the WhatsApp application and this might help you fix the issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.